there was one before COSON, but for all intent and purposes, it licensed COSON, and it refused license to MCSN, which has been operating before the NCC. Now, this, of course, it will create some ripples, because, hey, I've been operating through the licenses, through agreements of these musicians. You came in, you say I didn't satisfy the rules. And a new organization that just came or you that came up, you license it. So why did you not give me license? I've read from one report or the other that NCC did not give reasons for non-issuance of license to MCN. We will find out about that they just prevented them from the license, no reason whatsoever. But even if there are reasons, the MCSN has been operating, that's key, has been operating without this license and acting for these musicians. And as far as NCC is concerned, that is illegal, because you cannot operate without a license. We're not caught here. We're not interested in legalities. So we have to find out, as the motion said, and the mover of the motion is here, he will give us more, but we don't have to defer to him. We will listen from all of you here. Why did NCC not grant the license for a pre-existing organization? Is it not qualified? Is the newer organization more qualified? If it is so, is it why, okay, you give to the newer organization, why not to the other organization, so that we have two? MCSN says it will be illegal because there is monopoly in the law. The law says you can only have one. We will investigate that and all other things. So, honorable colleagues, I believe these are the fundamental issues, and that we will be having more and more from members. And I believe that having done a little justice to that, although I cannot do as more as you will do, I know that not being a musician, you people are, it's not sweeter in my mouth than it is from you people. So we'll listen to you, recommendation to the whole House, and the whole House will debate it, then it becomes a resolution. I welcome you all to be truthful, to tell us the facts, and minding that according to our law and our rules here, you do not tell a lie or hide a fact to the legislature. You're welcome.
Thank you very much, Chairman, Committee on Judiciary, Honorable Aminu Shehu Shadari. Honorable.
To the parties, the stakeholders in this very knotty issue. As you are aware, it arose due to a motion brought on the floor of the House by an honorable member, Honorable Ndudi Elumelu, on the 14th of May this year. Well, the crux of the matter is about, if I'm not mistaken, 100 billion naira annually is being lost by this country due to the impasse, what is happening now. And hence, our being called upon to look into the matter. So we are here to hear from all parties with a view to having an industry that will conform to the international best practices in the copyright system. This has become necessary and expedient at this point in time in order to reposition the Commission to face challenges that come with advanced technology as well as rapid socio-economic development of this nation and the industry in particular. The Copyright Commission is an organ that is critical in the regulation and enforcement of rights of creators, individuals who help produce or disseminate creative works, as well as society of potential income. Therefore, it is a collective responsibility at this gathering to deliberate on these issues and fashion up modalities that will bring an end to this impasse. That is my short remark, ladies and gentlemen, and I wish us happy deliberations and hope that we'll get to a decision that will augur well for us and the country at large. Thank you very much.
to obviously present now. And thank you very much for giving us this opportunity to come and state our case before both committees. The Nigerian Copyright Commission wishes to thank the Chair and Honourable Members of the National Assembly House Committees on Justice and Judiciary for inviting the Commission to shed light on some issues bordering on the exercise of its statutory mandate, particularly with respect to regulation of an establishment and operation of copyright collective management organisations, also known as collecting societies.